Today we are going to see this new game. It's called Skillmatics Interactive Stories. There's write and wipe activity mats inside this. There are 2 pens inside this box. Let's check what is there in the box, and this is for age group 3 to 6 years and can also be done for further age groups also. Let's see what is inside this. So we have these sheets inside the box, these 2 pens and a wiping cloth. We'll count the number of sheets here. So we have these 6 sheets with the story Hansel and Gretel, the talkative turtle, the monkeys and the cap seller, Goldilocks and the bears, the Pied Piper of Hamelin, the thirsty crow, and these are 2-sided sheets. There is an activity on one side and the story is on the other side. So we can start with Hansel and Gretel first and see how it is done. So let's say, Nikita, you may start with this. So first we start reading the story. Yes, start reading from here.
Hansel.
Hansel.
Hansel and Gretel.
Hansel and Gretel. So
Hansel
there is this story about Hansel and Gretel. So we'll continue with the story first, and I must tell you the quality of the sheets is very, very good. It's almost as good as a thick laminated plastic sheet, or it's not laminated exactly, it is a good quality sheet. So once we will read the whole story, we will continue with the activity on the other side. So yes, let's start reading the story.
A-P-O-Y.
Boy.
N-A-M-E-T.
Named.
E-Y-K. L-I-V-E-T.
Lived.
Happily ever
After. Good. And now we turn over the sheet and we see what exercise is there. So it says spot 10 differences between the 2 pictures. There are 2 pictures and the child has to spot the differences. And then there is count and write the number of candles and cookies you find. So here we have to write the numbers. We have to look for this stick and write the number, so on and so forth. The number has to be written with the help of the Skillibili markers that are given over here. And these sheets are plastic sort of, so they can be easily erased. The marker can be easily erased, and if you don't have the marker, you can easily use any sketch pen and erase on these sheets. So we will see the next sheet. This is called the talkative turtle, and we have Chinmay. Chinmay, you have to start reading the story first.
T-H-E-R-E.
There.
W-A-S was his foolishness.
Now we will see the other side of the sheet, and in this sheet there is an activity in which it says make patterns on the shell of the turtle, use the doodle guide below for help. And they have helped. These doodle guide means you can make any of these patterns in these shapes. So the kids can make shapes, and there is another activity on the side. It says draw a swan in 4 easy steps. So next we have the monkeys and the cap seller. We have this story over here. On the other side we have an activity which is make patterns on the cap, look at the references for help. So over here they have given references. The kids have to make any of these designs in the caps. And there is this little difficult activity in which help the cap seller to reach his cap. The difficulty is because this tube is not simple lines. It is a tube in which you have to imagine how will the cap seller move. Okay, So this is one activity. Then we have more activities over here in Goldilocks and the Bears. This is the story, and we have this activity which says learn to make your own porridge. Label the steps in correct order. So they have given the steps how you make the porridge, which is a very good activity for kids to learn. And then follow the rope to match the opposites. They have given hot opposite cold, and hard bed, the opposite is soft bed, big opposite is small. We have more activities in the other sheets. The next sheet is the Pied Piper of Hamelin. There is the story written over here, and there is these two activities are there, in which look at the picture, how many rats can you spot. These are simple activities but very nicely crafted. A 2 players game. Make 3 chits with numbers 1 to 3. Pick up a chit and move ahead on the path to reach the Pied Piper. This is again a nice game given along. We need a dice in this, so we can arrange for a dice. And the last one is the Thirsty Crow. And after the story we have got this: join the dots and decorate the objects. Draw a scene here and use the instructions to help you, and the instructions are very well crafted. It says draw a sun above the pot. Draw a sun above the pot. Then draw a tree on the right side of the pot. Draw a tree on the right side. Then draw a cactus plant on the left of the pot. Draw some clouds above the pot. Draw some clouds. So you see, these are instructions which the child has to follow. Overall, this whole game or the activity sheets are very well crafted. A child can be kept engaged for a very long time with these things. These things are available on rent at the library. You can visit and take it from us.